Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Charles Schwab's investment account step by step clearly. Visit the Charles Schwab website at www.schwab.com. On the homepage, locate and click on the Open an Account button. Choose the type of investment account you want to open. For a standard brokerage account, select Individual Brokerage Account. If you need a specific account type, explore the option. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number or tax ID number as required. Next, enter your contact information, including phone number and email address. Create a secure username and password for your account. Review the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing to them. Once you've agreed, click Continue to move forward. You will be prompted to enter your financial information, including employment status and income. Provide details about your investment experience and goals. After completing the financial section, click Continue. Next, you will be asked to fund your account. Choose from options like linking an existing bank account or transferring funds via wire. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the funding process. Finally, review all your information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Log into your new account to explore investment options and resources. Congratulations, you are now ready to start investing with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.